good news about Jesus as come to John chapter 19 from verse 16 to verse 27. Them kill Jesus on the cross. So then Pilate give Jesus over to the Jew leader them for them kill him on the cross. And them take him and carry him away. Jesus carry him on a cross by one place, then call the skull place. In the Hebrew language, them call it Golgotha. And that's how they nail him up for dead with two other men. One on him right hand side, the other on him left hand side. Pilate make them write one sign put over him head where read say, Jesus we come from Nazareth, the Jew them king. So enough of the Jew them will live at Jerusalem read the sign, because the place which part Jesus did get nailed up did near the city. The sign did write in a Hebrew, Latin and Greek. So the head priest them for the Jew people them said to Pilate say, change the Jew them king and write, the man ya say him a the Jew them king. But Pilate answer them say, when me right, and that me right. When the soldier them they don't nail up Jesus upon the cross for dead, them take him clothes them and share them up in a four, one set for each of them. But then they touch him underclothes. No, him underclothes did make out a one piece of cloth. The soldier them said to them one another say, make we not tear it up. Make we throw a dice and say who forget it. No, this happen so that what God would say would have come true. It said, them share up my clothes amongst them one another, and them take dice gamble for my clothes. So a said thing the soldier them do. Jesus' mother did a turn upside down cross. Our sister did it too. Plus, you did have Mary, Clopas' wife, and Mary Magdalene. When Jesus see mother and the follower where him did love a turn upside her, him said to her, say, woman, take him as your own boy picnic. Then him said to the follower, say, look, see your mother there. And from that time there, the said follower take in Jesus' mother in yard. And Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.